Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya. Today I'm going to try something new. I'll be recreating Kiara Advani's makeup as Dimple from Shershaah. I really liked her look in the movie. It's a very simple kind of a no makeup look. And she looked really elegant in the movie, so I'll be trying my best. And since this is my first time, so if you find any room for improvement, do let me know in the comments. So let's go. The first thing I did is to clean my face. At first I'm going to apply some facial oil on my face. This is Nykaa's cold pressed avocado oil. I'm using this in place of a primer. So if you don't want to go for this, you can apply your primer. Now I'm going to use a concealer. I have shared the link of the products I'm using in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now I'm just gonna blend it with the beauty blender. Next I'm gonna apply a little foundation. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm not gonna apply a lot of it, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna blend it. Next I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using a brown brow pencil from Maybelline. Now it's time for some eyeshadow. I'm using Nykaa's Smoky at 8 eyeshadow palette. Make sure you check the product link in the description. If you tap on the link and buy some product, I'm gonna earn a little money, so don't hesitate. As it is a very simple and clean look, I'm gonna use this peachy eyeshadow first. Now I'm gonna apply a little pink shade. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm gonna apply it on both my upper and lower waterline. I'm not going to apply any eyeliner for this look. I'm just gonna go with the kajal. So make sure you apply it generously. My eyes water a lot when I apply kajal. Now I'm gonna smudge the kajal a little bit with the brush. Next I'm gonna apply a mascara. Since I don't have a blush right now, I'm going to use a light pink lipstick for my blush. Now I'm gonna apply some lip color. I'm using Miss Claire's lipstick. I really like this shade. All the products I've used are quite affordable and good in quality, and you can use them easily for your everyday makeup. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. Just gonna apply it all over my face. As the look is really simple and elegant, it's better not to put on heavy makeup and make it cakey. So I'm almost done. I'm gonna apply some highlighter and I'll be done. So let's put on some highlighter. I'm done with my makeup. Now I'm just gonna do my hair to recreate the look. Let me put on a little bindi and I'm done. Let me know in the comment section if you liked my video and found it helpful. If you really like my look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Like it and share it with your friends and family. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. This is my first attempt to do a makeup tutorial, so do show some love. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.